Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the middle of the month of July 2021. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading. So let's get started. Alright, so I'll be looking at your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign as well. So if one video does not resonate with you, you can go and check out my other sign videos as well. So let's see what is there for my Taurus mid-July 2021, please. Alright. Mid-July 2021. July 2021. What is going on with my Taurus mid-July 2021, please? Alright. So the obstacle for you this in the middle of the month is the Four of Pentacles. And the overall energy for you is the Three of Wands. All right, so let's see. So for some of you, for the obstacles for some of you is likely to be, some people might be feeling a little scarce in relation with money or your other energies which you are investing. Okay, so you might be investing on something which might not give you a lot of results right now. So just try in terms of finances especially, and just look at the thing and then invest. Okay, if this is a special card when we say that just put all your energies, put all your intuition. If you're getting some intuition as well that something is not right, something is wrong, so your intuition is right at this time. In terms of money, time, whatever you are giving to any person, it can be anything. It's not only money, it's your emotions as well. Okay, just see where you are giving your emotions and whom you are giving your emotions to. Is this person the correct one? Because that is the obstacle situation which has come up in this thing. So you need to just look at that overall situation. Your overall energy is the Three of Wands. So if you talk about the Three of Wands, so this is like you are planning for long term. Okay, so you are planning for long term with somebody, like a person of yours. You are trying, but you want to give this person something. You want to give your emotions, you want to give love. Is the same love coming back to you, or are you just waiting for this thing? Are the actions which you are giving, which you are actually you want the actions, only the words are coming up. I don't see actions. What is exactly the actions which your person is giving you? Whether, because your energy is very actionable, that is what I am getting, Taurus. You might be a little slow, but yes, you are confident about this thing, whatsoever this is. This can be a relationship, this can be an investment, this can be a business venture, anything. Okay, so you are confident in that thing. The other person with whom you are trying to do whatever the situation is, whether that person is confident or not, that is what you need to check. Just put your intuitions in that situation. In the past, we have Two of Cups, Knight of Swords and the Emperor energy. So there was a lot of fights, I would say. There was some kind of a driven energy. When we talk about the Knight of Swords, it's more about a person who really takes some decisions really fast. Although the decisions, the ball was on your court, in your court, but some decisions went wrong. I am really getting that strong, vibes of some decision going wrong in the past. This can be a decision making when it comes with the Two of Cups. So it can be a love situation where you just went with the emotions, because Knight of Swords, he or she, whosoever, this knight does not see his emotions. It only sees the will, the inside will. I want to go with this person, I want to marry this person, I want to get engaged with this person, I love this person. Whatever decision, it was taken in a very hasty manner, whatever decision was there. Okay, in the present, what is going on is the Ten of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So after the Knight, the Queen is here now. So somebody has understood that the things have gone wrong now. So because of the experience only, this Queen tells us that because she is very experienced and somebody has experienced a lot in terms of in the past, and you know, she's very experienced, she's very judgmental as well, she knows how to judge people. So you are at a situation where either you are being judged by other people or the people are judging you. It can be anything. You are, I really feel for some of you, you are being judged for your honesty, for your true behavior, you know, loyalty as well. I would say that you are being judged for your loyalty, you are being tested for your loyalty. So that is, and that has become a pressure for you, for some of you only. So it's like, I have done nothing wrong, so why am I being judged, why am I being tested, why I am investing all of my energies on this relationship, on this person, and why am I being the one who is being judged, you know? So this is why you are really feeling a lot of that, your cutout energies are coming, that you are feeling cut off from this person, from this relationship, from this situation. You are feeling like that. So your future energies are Seven of Swords, Five of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. Sorry, Seven of Swords, Five of Cups, and Seven of Cups. So this is a situation in which you are in the coming future, which I am telling about. So strong feeling of, you know, when we try to focus only on the negatives, that is what, because at present when we do something, or when we are accused of something which we have never done, so we start getting some negative vibes, because somebody, whosoever this person is, who is judging you, who is testing you, who is testing your loyalty, is the one who betrays. Okay, so just see, are you really understanding, or are you really into the right person? Because this is really going somewhere else, the whole situation. You are wishing, whatever you are wishing, your wishes will be coming true in the coming months. For some of you, very good card, because the Nine of Cups is also here. So this is more like a wish fulfillment energy. So whatever you are trying to wish, it is going to come true. You have done nothing wrong. I will get the seeds, I will get the fruits of my seeds. That is what you are saying. Okay, so let's clarify now. Alright, so let's see. Before that, I want to really check one more thing. So I just forgot, and this is your energies, or this is the hidden energies which you might not be knowing. So the universe is telling you. So the World card is here. So World card, the process, it tells us about the freedom, the process which is ending in your life. So the freedom which you are getting, so you might be needing that, some kind of a freedom, some kind of an ending. So the universe is telling you that the process is coming towards an end, whatsoever. It can be in relation with some marriage. For many of you, you might be ending a divorce, you might be filing a divorce just in the middle of the month of July, and there's a new beginning for many of you. The hearts are getting broke, you know, they are like broken, and some heartaches, heart attacks. For some of you, it's more of the time to heal, and this is the heart time, you know, when we are talking about the healings, this is that what it tells us about. All right, so let's clarify now. Okay, so tell me more about the Four of Pentacles as the obstacle energy for my Taurus, please. Obstacles. Tell me more about the Four of Pentacles. What is the Four of Pentacles? The Lovers, the Emperor, and Temperance. Three major arcanas. Um, in terms for those people who are trying not to give a lot in the love situation, I don't feel that you are giving anything, because the obstacle is that if you are actually wanting to receive something, if you are waiting for somebody to give you the love, I don't see that happening. That is the obstacles energy, the Emperor with the Temperance. This is a no situation when we are asking for the other person to love you, because Temperance, it always means healing. Okay, and either this person is healed, has healed, or this person is trying to move on. Whatever this thing is, you are trying to ask something from someone which this person is not ready to give, plus this, they are not able to give that thing to you, Taurus. Okay, so you are waiting for that situation which might not even happen. Let me just clarify this Three of Wands. Please tell me more about the Three of Wands. Yeah, I don't know why all the major arcanas are coming. So the Tower, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Chariot. Okay, so the endings, new beginnings. Okay, so this is what is coming up. So this is more about you. You are asking the universe for something which might even not happen. Okay, so this is more about more of your energy going forward in, like, you know, you're moving forward, but I don't see you're moving forward with someone over here. It is more about you are feeling alone. See, aloneness is something which you are going through, because in the present energies as well, there was a Ten of Wands energy, the cutting energy, cutting people off around you. So you might be, so this person can be you as well. If, see, you are waiting for somebody to come to you, to talk to you, and this person is like, no, I will not come. The cutting off energy, the Queen of Swords energy, no, I am judgmental, no, I will not come to you, you will come to me. So this can be you as well, Taurus. Okay, somewhere for some of you this is vice versa. It can happen to anyone. So yes, there's one person in between both of you who is making the other person feel that you are nothing for me. There is one person. Okay, so let's see. I'm sorry. Well, the Moon card came again, the major arcana. So Two of Cups. I really want to know more about the Two of Cups energy, please. Ace of Cups, the Sun, and King of Wands. So this new beginning was very beautiful. This was very energetic. It was like, you know, you are my sunshine and my only sunshine. You know, that kind of a situation when we think of a lovey-dovey situation. Okay, so this is the King of Wands. Everything went really beautiful at first. Everything was really like off limit, but it just started to happen. The decision was taken really fast. Although, yeah, I wouldn't deny that thing, because a new relationship, a new person, and then getting into a relationship all of a sudden into something big. That was something big actually. Okay, so I'm clarifying this Knight of Swords now. Three of Swords, Queen of Cups, and the Five of Cups. So I think that's either of you, either you or your person, there was a person who was not moved on, who didn't move on from the past. It was more in the person. I think that this is more of your person's energy here, who didn't move on from the past, and they just entered into the relationship, and you got emotional. You were more attached to your person. It can be you, obviously, you know, it can be vice versa as well. But the mistake, the decision which went wrong was this only, that when you are not even healed from the past situation and you try to move on in the current situation, it's like, how is this possible? Even I am still in the past. I'm thinking about that person. I really haven't healed. I am into the past, and this person is like giving and giving and giving to a person who is not even accepting, who is not even thanking. because this person is in the past still. All right, so that is why, you know, it's like it's too hard to handle now. I want to check this Knight of Pentacles energy in the present. Who is this Knight of Pentacles, please? What is going on in the present scenario? Sorry. Present energies, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. Seven of Swords, Six of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. So if you're feeling somewhere that somebody is testing you or judging you, or you know, something like that, because the other person is not loyal. I got two disloyalty cards. Seven of Swords has come twice in your reading, and this is more of a disloyalty relationship, disloyal situation, in which somebody else is already involved with someone else. Okay, this is more like, I am more thinking about the past. I'm not saying that this person is still in touch with the past person, but at least in the memories, this person is still there in the past, and that is why it felt for you. It is feeling like, you know, you are being betrayed. You are feeling embarrassed with this person, that I gave a lot and this person is not giving me a little bit, because he or she is thinking about the past person. But still, I think somewhere you know that this person is going through that past trauma. You are ready to help them, but they are not ready to take that help as well. No. Okay, so all right. I want to check this Five of Cups energy. Who is this Five of Cups? What exactly? Tell me more about the Five of Cups, please. Yeah. So the future energies are telling me Six of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Devil. So they are definitely telling me whichever situation you are in is not promising actually. Okay, this is more of a less promising relationship for which you are giving time and for which you are giving energies to. So that is why the first card already told us everything. The Four of Pentacles, when I told you that invest your energies wisely in whichever thing you are investing: money, love, emotions, time, anything. Okay, so because whosoever this person is, they will just fly away. It's more of a temporary thing which you are going through, and the universe is watching you. The universe has your back, and universe will not let anything happen to you bad. Universe will not let anything happen bad to you. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Taurus. I hope that helps, and we're going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.